What more number one wifey? Let's pray for spice. No, it's a spice, alright. Spice is good. You want some like breadfruit? No. Tell me if you want breadfruit. Breadfruit. I left your ha ha. I'm running left on the backside. You know, sister, I'm a big artist. Well, tomorrow the big nice. I forgot to tell me if you eat it. But may I eat it for innit? Tomorrow is wet and wild, wet and naked. Party. Bad bitches only. My God, your queen, and my God, you too. I got you, God. You good, man, I got you back. Yes, sir. All that people, them, wanna just roll out and come say, Lord. I got sexy tomorrow. Ha ha. Girl, Queenie, play my song, please, Twinkle. One and only man to my good ear. Do what? It's there. You love my nails? Thank you. I time do them, you know. Yeah, quick and fast. Me never get the hairstyle for come to Jamaica, but me get nails. So. Tamika want Lord, me hot. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm a hot girl idiot. Only is hot girl idiot. I'm telling all the while, me is that girl. A top girl never flap girl. That's the queen. I'm you lot's queen, whether you like it. It's what I call out my good name, Janice. Don't go like say you see me at Jamaica in a cabin, so nobody call me about Janice. Don't come look. Me don't want nobody come look for me. I have performance tomorrow. I have to rest and keep myself alive. I don't want any disturbance, okay? But you're right about my good name about Janice. Leave me alone, girl. Lord, stand up, big up yourself. Big up your crew. Come pick me up at the airport. Nice, blessed love. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow the Queen will be in Trelawney / Falmouth / Jamaica / one Queen in the deck. And me, my man is stressing me saying, I eat too. Wait a minute. Girl, my daughter must could eat. So it's the time I want my name. Because it's when you're sick, girl. And life take care, you can't name. I say if me didn't know me eat yesterday, I make my name, girl, and then take some wash out. Cheat the food. So you name the food today and tomorrow you wash it out. Just maybe I train now do the wash out and then say just eat. So take like a wash out. So wait there. So no cuss like man. Tell him same chat too much. So why am I gonna miss me? Oh no. I love Queenie. Queenie I live her best life. We I would miss what I'm fluffy cocks. Sally you miss me too? Queen in a deck. You can't find the queen in a deck. Take it back. Them take it back. You know they on the Viva for true. Them take it back. But it's on YouTube. You can't hear it in your ears, but you can't see me, and I'm pretty close. You have to just memories. Memories. All them food on the TV. What the way them people are fast? All them food that they on the wait, let me read. All them food on the TV there behind you. Why are you looking in my background? Oh, you are reach out there, son. Just take a piece of breadfruit, man. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Just tell me if you want. Rachel would be super. Jesus Christ, Mr. Suki. What's that? I carry Rachel t-shirt, them now. And Twinkle put her one to share Rachel apart. You know, so while I got me out there, so this is me. Tomorrow, may I imagine what I can do with Rachel top for cars tomorrow, you know, may I say. And me and Rachel, I got the. What? I want to that girl. I want me to them drop her. Hey, look on. hot. Yes, okay. A while ago, I remember Rochelle, and I think about Rochelle, because I remember. Come, let's eat together. Come, yeah. Why go on, pretty girl, Miss Wifey, come. Mm. You want breadfruit? Oh, we're going for breakfast the next. How so long we have to wait for breakfast? 1 hour and a half. By the time I drop asleep. Yeah. Yes, so I think about Rora and I say, I see her in the t-shirt, I say, I gotta take on a t-shirt and take it my skirt and go up on stage. And go
Yeah.
oh.
Who that side of you? Hey girl, I'm jealous.
Right, says to them one know what I want. Tell her your bantan do it. No,
You take Dewey space and you take my space.
yeah.
Yeah, Dewey don't want to see me on J-Par. I don't know what to do.
Morning. What's going on, Jack?
Where's the ready?
What's going on, baby?
Why, girl, me just saying I'm an element. Yeah, I believe to this letter. So I'm so. Are not hearing me? Are you hearing me now? Well, I'm here. Yeah, back to the reason now. Which part is the food over there, sir? How is food in there?
No, I got a plate empty, girl.
Empty plate, girl. That's I remember give them some I can't start this.
Girl.
Mic check. Say yes, and the squeal lady gangster waiting to go and perform tomorrow. Some. You don't say I eat that too. I tell you.
Fully idiot.
What I do when I buy that crony? I threw more to the airport to this, you know. Fuck, with me long here. Like me, Rapunzel related. I want to see me what kind of queen have. A queen treatment, right? A royalty treatment, forget it sweet, but hear me now. Do their work. Hear me now? Marry the queen. Anyway, it's about tomorrow. Wet and
Tell
naked.
the people them how you come out.
When you go up, you not vice sang me as if you not vice Jamaica there.
You know, so 5 days I have to stay here, but some people want to book me, so I don't know.
Girl work with their mind, but me want you never JB all a piss me down and stick. But all me no vice the ready mate, you know.
You know, sir. Oh God, JB, you know,
When
when
you sit the one else. Me want
when
you vice while me want vice and you vice to me with vice fast and quick. You can vice your Jamaica. Cause you know enough look nice producer down there we can work
that's
good.
a good idea, no.
Yeah, it's easier for you, man. Me can
But you
link
make
up two people.
excited element. What's your glass? I and what eyelash I'm excited too. You mean I'm
It's
excited?
easier for you find people to work with done it way. You know they work and we can work with it too.
It's nicer to work with the Jamaican them for true.
Yeah, because them have patience and them you work with you and give you ideas and them something there. Them are go know them thing and help you. So
Set look, girl. I'm excited over my party like my birthday. Cause you know my birthday.
Excited for you to be hey, you go pull up is a crowd in again.
Oh God, me say, hear me now.
Me just feel the people never wait for you, right? Now me say
come look for me, man.
them a come out for you, girl.
Look for me. After them not come look for me either. Me can't go so much mile. You know how much hours me take for each here?
True.
10 hours. I reach at the airport 3 hours before. That's 13 hours. Then the next 3 hours to reach, that's 16 hours. And then for when you're excited and frightened and wake up and I get dressed again. That's around 20 hours. And then from the airport to Portmore. Ooh. I'm a crown, I come out in a girl.
No, you can't leave your signature. You're crazy.
I take the man and my friend asked me, oh, like, but I said, I go to Camden Town. No, she called me now and can't get me in the phone. I revived though, I answer the phone, yeah. And she said to me, "So do their work." And I me their work. Yeah. And she said to me, say, "Where did you go, Jay?" I said, "I got to take a man at Camden." She said, "Camden? I don't know you like that. For you just take a man in Camden. So what one is that?" Lie, you know. When she said she want to call me and look for me ear, look for me and she see me ear now. Oh my God. That ears, she English, she